Hi, my name is Chang. This video is designed for beginner Blue Mon speakers. In this video, we will go over the second consonant in the Blue Mon language. The consonant sounds are ka, 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 tra, 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 sha, 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 ta, 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 va, 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 sa, 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 ya, 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 pa, 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 blah, 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 cha, 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 claw, claw, claw. So let's do once more. Ka, tra, sha, ta, va, sa, ya, pa, blah, cha, claw. Please join me in the coming up video to learn more about the Blue Mon consonants. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.